This is for my friend Manuela, and she is very well read in all of Egyptology, and we went to museums before the tour, and she was explaining to me everything we looked at. She knew which era it was from. Oh, it's the 18th dynasty, and
Where
blah,
does
blah.
she live?
She's in New York, and she's also a jazz musician like me.
Manuela.
Okay, so I asked her if she had a question for you, and I promised her I would ask. And she wants to know, the capstone on the Great Pyramid, she said that at some point in 18 something or other, it was removed. It wasn't, she read in a book. She can't remember which book, but she said that she read...
No, I mean...
She wants to know where it is now.
I have no idea where it is.
Okay.
And it disappeared in antiquity, not in 1800.
Oh, okay.
So
all right.
We have absolutely no idea what it is. There's been a suggestion in one of my books, The Orion Mystery, that it might indeed be inside the pyramid.
Ooh. Wow.
And it's a bit too complicated to explain, but...
Okay, yeah.
All right, so...
Thank you.
There you are.
Thank you. And you know what? Oh, sorry,
no,
what were you saying?
Well, come to Egypt, Manuela.
Yeah, Manuel, you have to come.
Manuel or Manuela?
Manuela.
It's a lady.
It's a girl.
Yeah.
Yeah,
well,
she's
come
a girl.
to Egypt, Manuela.
I'm sure she will.
We would like to have you join our tour.
I'm going to kick her butt until she gets over here. I'm going to give her butt.
Will tell you all about it.
And you know what? I have one question for myself. I've asked all these other questions for other people. I read on a website recently called Suppressed Discoveries, and they were saying that apparently in certain places in Egypt a substance had been found. It looked like glass, but it could be bent. Have you ever heard of this?
I've heard, but I've never seen it.
Okay, all right. Well, thank you. Thank you so much for answering.
Bye.